Hi, this is Johnny Pineda, and I am covering some of the things you need to consider when hiring lawyer services in Hoffman Estates. One of the things I want to cover today is trial defense and the cost of it. Trial defense, as you would imagine, this is when someone sues you potentially. When someone sues you, it could potentially last quite a while. And with that, the cost to have your attorney deal with that could possibly be astronomical, especially when they're, if they ask for a retainer, if there's some type of hourly fees involved, etc., etc. And unfortunately, we live in one of the most litigious societies in the world, where people are just suing people to sue them because they know that they will get something because you'll settle out of court, because it would be cheaper than if you actually defended yourself, regardless of whether the situation is where you're innocent. The point is that someone sued you, put a lawsuit on you, and you're in a situation where you now have to defend yourself. It's really comforting to know in prepaid legal with our memberships that we have an area of coverage called trial defense. And what's interesting about it is every year for 5 years they tack on more trial defense hours, kind of like minutes on your phone, that you're given per year, capped out at the fifth year. Fifth year being 335 hours that you have prepaid for your membership. What's interesting about that? So when someone sues you, your attorney can go back to them and say, "Look, first of all, I'm an AV rated attorney, and my client has already prepaid 335 hours of my time. How far do you want to take this?" That's very powerful, because sometimes they'll just drop the suit right then and there, or even if they do, you got 335 hours at a maximum to defend yourself. And I think it was said, I don't know exactly, it's been bounced around, but if everyone remembers the first O.J. Simpson case, he had 270 billable hours in his, and after the fifth year of prepaid legal membership, you have 335 in your pocket. So we joke about it sometimes. We say sometimes that you have more juice than OJ. Anyway, circling back, I just want to let you know that when considering lawyer services, be very clear on what trial defense costs are involved as far as a retainer fee or hourly, etc., because it can become quite costly. And just wanted to point out a way where you can cost-effectively defend yourself against frivolous suits by having this type of service, prepaid legal services. So again, Johnny Pineda, just want to let you know, and you are now in the loop. Thanks. Hi, Johnny Pineda here. Before you go, just wanted to ask you real quickly if the video you just saw was of use to you and had some value for you. Hopefully it was, and if it did, I have 20 more such videos that can help answer a lot more of the questions that are probably on your mind regarding lawyer services. So go ahead to the website flashing across the screen, lawyerservices.slideedgeblastoff.com, and just sign in, and I'll be sure to send the rest of them off to you. Thanks.